Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. Let's unbox the budget dash cam for bike launched by a hero company by Qubo. If you see the box, it has image of the dash cam, specs and features, pricing and details of the Qubo Pro app. You know this is a dash cam, not an action camera. So for a dash cam there is no button to switch it on. It switches on itself when we clamp it to the mount. So here are the three lights and the specs of the camera are printed there, and there is a slot for inserting a memory card. It supports up to 1 TB. There is a type C port. The mounting bracket should be locked here. And let's unbox it. Let's remove the protections. Here there is a brochure of the Qubo products and the clip mount here. Push it and drag, and we have a normal type C connector which can be connected to the any adapter rated 5 volts 2 amperes. So let's see the manual here. I always look at the manuals. Some avoid it, but I look at it to have a information. And it has a mic there, and this is a type C port as I already said. And we have lights, I will show it to later. And here is a pin that is given to reset the Wi-Fi of the dash cam. Wi-Fi is necessary to connect and record. First we have to connect to the Wi-Fi before using it. Now we will learn about the LED lights. We have red light continuously on when it's switched on, green light tracks the battery continuously on when charging, and blue lights switches on for 10 seconds and off the recording is done. Blue light continuously on when SD card not inserted. And this clip mounts when the clip is mounted, switches on. And here is information about the sensor: 1.1 by 2.9 inch and 1296p 3MP camera, 2000 mAh battery. It covers 360 minutes in smart saver mode. In smart saver mode here the Wi-Fi is switched off, and coming to the light, red light on for 10 seconds and 3 lights blink for 10 seconds, that is 1 blink per second. Later on blue light will on for 10 seconds and switches it off. Green light for charging a low battery. When the blue light switches on and off, then the recording will start. When we remove, there will be 3 beeps. On second beep, blue light start blinking. And you know the secret switch. Here is the secret switch. How did I discover the secret switch? I had a problem. I have to buy the another mount to use it for another purpose, like standalone recording rather than dash cam recording. So I thought of doing this. So I thought let us test it. So I used a magnet, and there is a presence of magnetic attraction there. So the pin is attracted to the clip mount here. So this is how I discovered. Later on I placed like this, and the camera switched it on before inserting into the mount. Then I discovered that this is a magnetic switch. It is also called as a reed switch. It works in the magnetic field. When a magnetic field is generated near it, it closes the circuit and switches it on. See, a magnet like this switches it on. So I have a clamp in my other hand, and magnet is placed at the clip mount area of the camera. So if you want to use it without the clip mount, if the clip mount is attached to some helmet or handlebar, if you want to use it, you can use a magnet to switch it on and off. See, that is how it works. If you like the information about the dash cam Qubo Bike Cam Pro, please like and subscribe and share the information. For more videos, please do subscribe.